cooking class that I booked through Viator or Viator. Viator. I've never taken a cooking class before. So my friend Dorothy and I are about to learn how to make ravioli and meatballs. So my experience with cooking, I once put a bag of Olive Garden breadsticks in my dorm's microwave, and little did I know it's actually lined with some sort of aluminum or foil or something, and so my entire dorm's microwave system caught on fire. So
In flames.
hopefully this cooking class will go a little bit better than that. Well, we have our aprons on, so we're official. Here we go.
With pasta, first course, and meatballs is the second course. Okay, I show you the ingredients. We will use beef, freshly cut beef from the butcher. Okay. Then we will add breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, and bread soaked in water. Okay, this is a little Italian secret. You can also use milk, but usually I prefer water. Okay, you need to squeeze it and crumble it inside the beef. So I just add salt. So Italians use a lot of salt and pepper. You will do the rest. The sauce that we call pizzaiola, and we use 1 garlic, a little bit of olive oil, all this sauce, and for this amount of sauce, this is just tomatoes. We use the same amount of water, okay? And oregano, a little bit of oregano. This is in Italian pizzaiola sauce, okay? And we will cook our meatballs inside the sauce. So we don't need to fry them before or put them in the oven. We will cook all together.
You have something and you lose it for the rest of your life. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that's right. 'Cause if you lose yourself enough, then being lost will feel alright. And I don't know myself anymore. No, I don't know myself anymore. Get a little cold.
And here's Dorothy's meatball. Ooh.
Continue.
Is this too big?
No, it's perfect. Okay.
Perfect.
Myself anymore. Get a little colder every year. Get a little colder every year. Come on.
She said perfect. Look. Can you believe it? I am so excited.
Almost. The last one?
Yeah, I think maybe more.
Now, I put the low fire that I have, and I will cover. Okay? Nothing more. I leave them for 40 minutes. Just after 10 minutes, I come and check if everything is okay and nothing more. Okay?
No, I don't know myself anymore. Get a little colder every year. Get a little colder every year. Well, I don't know myself anymore. No, I don't know myself anymore.
Okay, so we are working diligently for another 5 minutes, trying to keep it spherical and not alien brain shaped like this. So it's fine. We're fine. Things are good. This ravioli is gonna be.
Let me check.
She's coming to check. I'm nervous.
Brava, you need more flour,
Okay.
but it's really good consistency. Look,
Yay.
you need
Okay.
to press.
Press. So I need to get a little more forceful with my dough, I think, is what we're saying. Uh-oh, sticky flour. Adding a little flour anytime it gets a little sticky. Pro tip. This is the flour that we're using, which is at 00.
It's the finest.
Finest. Isn't that right?
Just like us.
Finest.
myself anymore. Get a little colder every year. Get a little colder every year. Well, I don't know myself anymore. No, I don't know myself anymore. Get a little colder.
So I just rolled out my dough and I'm a little concerned. She is slightly resembling Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time. But it's gonna be fine. Hopefully she will taste good.
Too much.
We'll see. We will see. So this is kind of what she ended up looking like. She's very thin. I think there's a little hole right here. So we'll see how that goes. So this is ricotta cheese, spinach, salt, and what else? Parmesan cheese and pepper.
And I don't know myself anymore. No, I don't know myself anymore. Get a little colder every year. Get a little colder every year. No, I don't know myself anymore.
Oh my. So goodbye, Lumpy Space Princess.
It's nice knowing you.
Nice knowing you, girl.
Get a little colder every year. Come on and let me down one last time. One last time. Come on and let me down one last time.
There they are in all of their glory. Look at how perfect Dorothy's is. She even lined them up. So I just finished with my ravioli, and so did Dorothy. So we're waiting to have them put in the oven, and then the moment of truth will be upon us. We will see. All right, she's going in the oven.
Oh, on the stove.
Oh, almost done.
We're gonna bake ravioli in the oven.
I literally have no idea. Oh, hey, look. Alright, she's going for a swim. So there she is. How exciting. I can't believe that I made this.
We pulled it off.
I thought all I could make was a mess. Okay, so here's the first bite. Moment of truth. Here we go. That is so good. We did good.
We killed it.
Yay, so the meatballs are out now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So these meatballs are perfect. We just finished up with our cooking class. We had the best time and we loved everything we made. And they're sending us the recipe. We gave our emails, and so that's what's super exciting about this is now we can make this at home and try our very hardest to do exactly what we just did.
Yeah, we will see.
Yeah, but now we're headed to Trastevere and we're gonna meet up with some friends and have a great night. Last night in Rome.
I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.